Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get API key from Google AI Studio. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first off, log into your account at aistudio.google.com. Then once you're in here, at the bottom left, you have Get API Key button. So just click on it, wait a bit, close pop-ups right here. And then after that, go ahead and go to the top right, click on Create API Key, just like so. Now go ahead and name your key. So I'm just going to leave it to Gemini API Key right here. And make sure that you go ahead and select your project. Now, if you don't have a project, or if you don't have a project yet, click on Create right here. Give it a name. Create. Wait for it. And it says here, new project created. So just wait a bit, and then once done, just click on Create Key. Wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, here you now have your API key and the project number. So just basically click on Copy Key, and it's now copied to clipboard. Now you can go ahead and paste it on your project. Okay, you can close this one. Now when you go ahead and click on three dots right here, you can rename the key and delete it, as well as set up the billing right here. So if you just want to use the free tier, okay, it is free. It allows to use of models like Gemini 1.5 Flash without billing. And also, it got limits, okay? Do keep that in mind. So the paid tier offers higher rate limits, increased usage, and no usage-based data training for enterprise privacy. All right, and there you have it. That's how easy it is to get API key from Google AI Studio. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.